Hello students, welcome back to MKH video series. My name is Aditya and in the previous video we have successfully completed exercise 9.2 of chapter number 9 which is areas of parallelogram and triangles. Now let me just tell you we are going to move further ahead to exercise 9.3 but उससे पहले हमें यहाँ पे एक थ्योरम है जो हमें समझनी पड़ेगी which is quite important. So let me just start off straightforward from this theorem here, right? So you can see theorem 9.2. So इससे पहले हमने previous video में एक theorem की थी 9.1 which says that the parallelograms on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. यानी कि हमें पता है कि दो parallelograms जो कि same base पे होते हैं और lie between same parallels उनका area जो होता है वो क्या होता है equal होता है, right? So that was theorem 9.1 which I have also proved in the previous video, right? Now let me just tell you with the help of that theorem we are going to prove a new theorem which says you can see two triangles on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area, right? So like the parallelograms similar theorem exists for triangles, right? यानी कि अगर दो triangles same base पे हैं and between same parallels then they have equal area. यही हम प्रूव करने वाले हैं इस थ्योरम में. So just observe it very carefully, right? So यहाँ पे मैंने एक डायग्राम लिया है. You can see this figure here. अब यहाँ पे इस फिगर के अंदर आपको दो पैरेललोग्राम्स नजर आएंगे. Let me just mark them. You can see the one is ABCD, right? So this ABCD is a parallelogram. Then the another parallelogram is PBCR, right? So you can see यहाँ पे दो parallelograms हैं. And also the important thing is कि ये जो दोनों parallelograms हैं, you can see ABCD and PBCR both lie on the same base BC and between same parallels you can see AR and BC, right? So as we know from theorem 9.1 that parallelograms on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area, right? So let me just first start off with the given thing here. So सबसे पहली चीज जो हमें given है that ABCD and PBCR are two parallelograms on the same base and between same parallels, right? So let me just write down that ABCD and PBCR are two parallelograms on the same base. Let me just write down the name of the base, that is BC, and between same parallels. Now let me just write down the name of the parallels. You can see BC and AR, right? So these are the parallels. Now that means that we know that the area that is from theorem 9.1. Now let me just rewrite this thing in the proof, right? So ये चीज मैं proof में लिखूंगा that the area of both the parallelograms will be equal. But यहाँ पे जो हमें given thing थी वो हमने लिख दिया that there are two parallelograms ABCD and PBCR. You can see which are on the same base BC and between same parallels BC and AR, right? So this is the given thing here. Now let me just write down to prove. So यहाँ पे हमें prove क्या करना है that the triangles on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. So अगर यहाँ पे हम वो triangles ढूंढ रहे हैं जो कि same base और same parallels के बीच में है जिनको हमें equal area prove करना है जिनका, right? So they are, you can see ABC and PBC. You can see दोनों triangles जो हैं same base BC के ऊपर lie कर रहे हैं and also between same parallels AR and BC, right? So हमें यहाँ पे इन दोनों triangles का area जो है वो क्या prove करना है? Equal prove करना है. So let me just write that. We have to prove that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PBC. This is what we have to prove here in this theorem, right? So let me just start off my proof here. So first thing that I want to share with you is you can see in the parallelogram ABCD you will find out that AC is the diagonal, right? So let me just draw this parallelogram in a separate area here. So you can see, if you can see here that I have redrawn this parallelogram in a separate way, right? So you can see this was A, B, C and D, right? So in this parallelogram you can see here this AC is the diagonal. So यहाँ पे अगर मैं इन opposite points को join करूं, let me just correct that. Something like this, right? Now you can see this ABCD parallelogram is having AC as diagonal, and we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram actually divides it in two congruent triangles, right? So this is proven, and we know that this AC will now divide this parallelogram in two congruent triangles, right? So let me just start off my solution right from this, right? So my proof will be, you can see in parallelogram, let me just write that parallelogram, right? So parallelogram ABCD, we have AC as, let me just correct that, diagonal, right? So we know that diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent, let me just correct that, congruent triangles, right? So that is, you can see, we can say that triangle ABC, अब देख सकते हैं ABC, this triangle is congruent to, you can see, triangle CDA, right? CDA, this triangle, right? So both the triangles are congruent because we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into congruent triangles. Now similarly, if I just talk about this another parallelogram PBCR, then you will find out that PC is the diagonal here again, right? So if I just redraw this PBCR, you will find out like this. So you can see this is the PBCR parallelogram, right? So P, then you can see B, then C, and finally R. So you can see joining P and C, you can see this line. So this is the diagonal of parallelogram PBCR. Now likewise, as we have seen in parallelogram ABCD, this was diagonal and it was dividing it in two congruent triangles. So similarly, यहाँ पे भी ये दोनों triangles क्या हो जाएंगे? Congruent हो जाएंगे by this proven thing, right? So let me just make some space above. So remember what we have to prove, that the area of triangle ABC and PBC are equal, right? That means the triangles on the same base and between same parallels are equal. ये हमें prove करना है. So I'm just erasing this theorem here. So starting off, now in parallelogram PBCR, let me just correct that. We know that diagonal, you can see PC will divide it in two congruent triangles. That is, you can see triangle PBC, you can see PBC and CRP. Both are congruent to each other, right? So let me just tell you, यहाँ पे हमने दोनों triangles इस वाले में और इस वाले में congruent prove कर चुके हैं, right? And we also know, let me just tell you, giving this equation number first and this as equation number second. Now we know कि जो figures congruent होते हैं, if two figures are congruent, then definitely their areas are equal. ये मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में इस चैप्टर के बताया था कि कभी भी जब दो फिगर्स एक दूसरे के congruent हैं, then definitely their areas are equal, right? So you can see from first and second, we have, that means हम बोल सकते हैं that area of triangle ABC is equal to the area of triangle CDA, right? And let me just make some space below. and area of triangle PBC is equal to area of triangle CRP, right? So this is what we have concluded from equation number first and second, right? Because you can also write the reason here that if two figures are congruent, then their areas are equal, right? So this is going to be the reason. You can write that thing here. So now let me just tell you what we are proving here, that we know that first thing is कि हमने यहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग में मैंने आपको बताया कि पैरेललोग्राम ABCD and you can see PBCR both lie on the same base and between same parallels. That means दोनों का जो एरिया है वो क्या होगा, आपस में इक्वल होगा. Let me just write that thing. Also we know that area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to the area of PBCR, right? You can write down the reason here that from theorem 9.1. So in short form, I'm going to write that from theorem 9.1. So what was 9.1 theorem? That the parallelograms on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. You can also write that line, right? So I'm in short form writing this is due to theorem 9.1. So now हमें पता है कि area of parallelogram ABCD and PBCR are equal. Now further let me just make some space. So students, now let me just move further. Now यहाँ पे हमने prove कर लिया that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle CDA and area of PBC is equal to area of triangle CRP. Now let me just tell you, हमें यहाँ पे अब prove क्या करना है that ABC and PBC both are equal in area because they lie on the same base and between same parallels. So doing that, let me just tell you next step will be, अब यहाँ पे हमें ये पता है कि एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम ABCD जो है वो एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम PBCR के इक्वल है because both lie on the same base and between same parallels. Then from theorem 9.1 we know that their area will be equal, right? So ये दोनों पैरेललोग्राम्स का एरिया इक्वल है. Also let me just tell you कि ये जो डायगोनल है इस ABCD पैरेललोग्राम का, ये इसको दो इक्वल ट्राइंगल्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है which are equal in area. We have proved that. So यानी कि अगर ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स इक्वल एरिया के हैं, that means we can say that this triangle ABC, let me just tell you now, let me just tell you that area of triangle ABC then will be half of the area of parallelogram ABCD, right? क्योंकि हमें पता है कि यहाँ पे ये जो डायगोनल है इसको दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है इस पैरेललोग्राम को, यानी कि ये वाला जो आधा ट्राइंगल है that will be area of this triangle will be equal to half of this parallelogram. आप देख सकते हैं ये अगर एक पैरेललोग्राम की बात करूं, सो डायगोनल उसको दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है. That means that triangle will be equal to half of this parallelogram, right? So यहाँ पे ABC है वो किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा, half of ABCD. Also let me just tell you again the area of PBC. You can see PBC जो कि PBCR पैरेललोग्राम का ट्राइंगल है, राइट? सो हमें यहाँ पे भी सेम चीज अप्लाई होती है that diagonal will divide it in two equal triangles. So area of triangle PBC you can see will also be equal to the half of this parallelogram PBCR, right? So this is what we have derived now. Now you can see अगर आप इस स्टेटमेंट की तरफ देखें that area of ABCD is equal to area of PBCR, right? So यानी कि अगर पूरे पैरेललोग्राम ABCD और PBCR दोनों का एरिया इक्वल है because they lie on the same base and between same parallels, यानी कि आधे आधे पैरेललोग्राम्स का भी इक्वल क्या होगा, then एरिया इक्वल होगा. So you can see if complete parallelograms are equal in area, then their half must also be equal. Getting my point? So now you can see if I just give them equation number third and fourth, so now you can see the right hand side of both will be equal क्योंकि हमें पता है कि एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम ABCD और PBCR पूरे पूरे इक्वल है. दैट मींस हाफ हाफ भी क्या होंगे, आपस में इक्वल होंगे. सो यू कैन सी हाफ ऑफ एरिया ABCD and half of area PBCR both are equal, right? So you can see from equation number third and fourth we have, so let me just make some space above. So we can say that if the right hand side are equal, you can see from here. So that means the left hand side must also have to be equal, right? So A B क्या हो जाएंगे आपस में equal. So this implies you can see area of triangle ABC will be equal to area of triangle PBC, right? So right hand side equal hai, that means left hand side should also be equal. And this is what we have to prove here, that the triangles forming on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. This is what theorem 9.2 says. That will come into play when we further solve the questions in exercise 9.3, right? So you can see that means this theorem says that triangles on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. So always keep this theorem in mind while solving the question in exercise 9.3. So that was all in this theorem. So students, now I'm going to take an example here. So just look at that example so you can get how kind of questions you are going to get in exercise 9.3. So let me just explain you an example here. So actually this example also proves us a thing which is quite important while we deal questions in exercise 9.3. So ये जो example है हमें ऐसी एक you can see rule बताने वाला है which is quite important. Now let me just tell you that the example is show that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. So यहाँ पे हमें इस example में जो given है that is that we have to prove that the median of a triangle divides it in two triangles of equal area. यानी कि let me just explain this statement with the help of a figure here. So you can see यहाँ पे मैंने एक triangle लिया है ABC and this AD is actually the median of this triangle. So median क्या होता है? Median is a line segment which actually divides the triangle in two equal triangles, right? So आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ये median AD जो है इसको दो triangles में divide कर रही है. One is ABD and the other one is ACD. Now हमें यहाँ पे ये चीज prove करनी है that both the triangles are equal in area. यानी कि हमें ये prove करना है कि median जो होती है एक triangle की वो उस triangle को दो triangles में divide करती है जिनका area क्या होता है? Equal होता है. That means we have to prove that area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD, right? So let me just start off with this thing here. So सबसे पहले हमें क्या लिखना है? The given thing here. So the solution starts right from here. So given is that there is a triangle ABC. So in this question, it is given that there is a triangle ABC and you can see AD is a median, right? So this is given here in this question. Now let me just write to prove. So what we have to prove here is that this median divides this triangle in two triangles of equal area. यानी हमें यहाँ पे prove क्या करना है that area of triangle ABD is equal to the area of triangle ACD, right? ACD. Now both the triangles have equal area. This is what we have to prove here. Now starting off my proof here. So before the proof, let me just tell you that we have to make some construction here before proving this statement, right? So यहाँ पे हमें construction क्या करनी पड़ेगी? Let me just tell you. Then if you just recall how we calculate the area of any triangle. So यहाँ पे सबसे पहली हमें यहाँ पे दोनों triangles का area equal prove करना है और हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हम actual में किसी triangle का area कैसे find out करते हैं. What is the formula? So let me just tell you the formula to calculate the area of any triangle. So that is half into base into height. Now height can be said as altitude. So यहाँ पे मैं आपको बता देता हूँ what is altitude. So अगर मैं यहाँ पे कोई triangle लेता हूँ, so altitude is the perpendicular length here. So जो कि वो line segment जो कि perpendicular होती है to the base of that triangle, right? So altitude you can say, or you can say the height of the triangle, right? So height, or you can say altitude, is always the perpendicular line segment, right? So this is the basic difference between altitude and median. Remember, जो median होती है triangle की वो कभी भी 90 डिग्री के एंगल पे नहीं होती, right? 90 डिग्री के एंगल पे कभी भी नहीं होगी, right? But the altitude is always a line segment which is at 90 degree to the base of that triangle or to any other side, right? So remember this line, right? यानी कि हमें डिफरेंस पता होना चाहिए मीडियन और एल्टीट्यूड में, राइट? सो एल्टीट्यूड इज द परपेंडिकुलर लाइन सेगमेंट, राइट? सो यहाँ पे फॉर्मूले में हमें किस चीज की जरूरत है? एल्टीट्यूड की. सो यहाँ पे इस ट्रायंगल में हमें मीडियन तो प्रेजेंट है बट एल्टीट्यूड नहीं है. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू मेक हियर. सो यहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन क्या करनी होगी? लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू. इफ आई जस्ट ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर लाइन सेगमेंट लाइक दिस, सो लेट मी जस्ट ड्रॉ अ राइट एंगल हियर and give this point as n, right? So you have to draw a altitude an which is perpendicular to BC, right? So an is perpendicular to the base BC here, right? Now we have done the construction here, that we have drawn a perpendicular, or you can say the altitude, which is required to calculate the area of now both the triangles formed by this median. So यहाँ पे ABD और ACD दोनों के लिए ये मीडियन क्या काम करेगी? यहाँ पे हाइट का काम करेगी. ओ सॉरी, जो perpendicular line segment है ये किसका काम करेगी? हाइट का काम करेगी, राइट? सो लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू, स्टार्टिंग ऑफ माय प्रूफ हियर. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं इन ट्राइंगल ABD, राइट? सो इधर वाले ABD ट्राइंगल की बात करते हैं. यू कैन सी, बट मुझे पता है दैट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABD can be calculated by half into base into height, right? So half into base. So talking about the base of triangle ABD. So ABD का base क्या है आपके पास यहाँ पे? BD, right? So let me just write down base as BD, and the height is the altitude which we have drawn by construction, that is AN, right? So let me just write down AN here. Now let me just give this as equation number first, right? Now it's time to take the second triangle here, that is ACD, right? For that, let me just make some space above. Now you can see in triangle ACD, right? Let me just write A here. So ACD, the next triangle here, right? So in triangle ACD, we know that the area of triangle ACD, let me just correct that, can be again calculated by this formula, half into base into height, right? So let me just write down half into base. Now अब बात कर रहे हैं हम ACD triangle की. So यहाँ पे जो CD है, that will work as the base of this triangle, right? So ये base है यहाँ पे, but the height will again will be AN, the altitude here, right? So ये AN जो है ये इस ACD triangle के लिए भी height का काम करेगी. You have to extend the base of this triangle in this way. So then you have to draw a perpendicular line segment, because we can draw a line segment perpendicular other than 90 degree, right? So ये 90 degree वाली line segment जो है, that will be again working as the altitude, or you can say the height for this triangle ACD, right? So again you can see what is the base. You can see CD into the height will be AN, right? Now यहाँ पे एक और चीज मैं आपको क्लियर कर देता हूं, दैट whenever we draw a median of a triangle, so ये जो मीडियन जो है, जो उस बेस के बेस को टच करती है इस ट्रायंगल के जिस पॉइंट पे, दैट इज डी हियर. अब इसलिए ये AD इज कंप्लीट ABC ट्रायंगल की क्या है? मीडियन है. सो दिस इज अ थिंग दैट कि जो मीडियन जहां पे टच करती है बेस को उस ट्रायंगल के, दैट इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ दैट लाइन सेगमेंट. यानी कि यहां पे मैं बोल सकता हूं दैट D इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ BC. दैट मींस ये जो BD साइड है, दैट इज इक्वल टू DC, राइट? सो लेट मी जस्ट गिव दिस इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड. आल्सो वी नो दैट D is the midpoint of BC. That is, you can see PD is equal to DC. So यहाँ पे D midpoint है, that means BD is going to be equal to DC. So if you just compare on equation number first and second, let me just talk about the second equation, right? So for that, let me just make some space. Now you will see, हमें यहाँ पे पता है कि BD जो है वो किसके इक्वल है? DC, or you can say CD, right? Let me just write down CD so that you don't get confused. So BD is equal to CD, right? Because D is the midpoint, right? Now you can see, अगर यहाँ पे मैं CD की जगह पे BD रख देता हूं, so area of triangle ACD will be half into, you can see CD की जगह क्या रख सकता हूं मैं? BD, because they are equal. So that will be BD into AN, right? Now you can see, let me just give it equation number third. अब अगर यहाँ पे आप इस दोनों equations को compare करेंगे, equation number first and equation number third, right? So you will find out that the right hand side of both the equations is equal, right? That means उनकी left hand side जो है वो भी क्या होनी चाहिए? Equal होनी चाहिए, right? That means area of triangle ABD will be equal to area of triangle ACD, because उनकी right hand side क्या equal? That means left hand side should also be equal. Now देख सकते हैं आप दोनों जो area है triangles का, that is equal to half into BD into AN, half into BD into AN, right? So दोनों का जो area है that is same, that is half into base into height, यानी कि उन दोनों का आपस में एरिया भी क्या हो जाएगा? इक्वल हो जाएगा. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर थर्ड एंड फर्स्ट, सो आप देख सकते हैं इन दोनों इक्वेशन की राइट हैंड साइड सेम है, दैट मींस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी क्या हो जाएगी? सेम हो जाएगी. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD, right? And this is what we have to prove here, that the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area, right? So यहाँ पे हमने प्रूव कर दिया कि ये AD जो है वो इस ABC ट्रायंगल को दो ट्रायंगल्स में डिवाइड करी है. One is ABD and the other one is ACD, जो कि एरिया में इक्वल है, right? So this is showing that this statement will work on in the questions in the upcoming exercise 9.3, that the median of a triangle divides it in two triangles of equal area. So always remember this statement. So that was all in this example.